Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is... Well, together again.
Yep.
Happy family.
Happy, happy.
Do you want to eat animals?
Animals.
Yum.
Well, we're going to eat chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Well,
Shall we get started?
this is our Valentine's Day episode.
Yeah.
For you people in love.
Yeah.
Loving love.
Love each other.
Love chocolate.
Love chocolate.
Love noodles.
Wait.
This one is from Seattle Chocolate. It's called We Work Together Like Nuts and Bolts for the Love. It's a pretzel and peanut and dark chocolate truffle with a hint of stout flavor.
It reminds me of Monty Python when they're talking about different chocolate that has like bolts and springs in it. No one wants to have a nice chalky when a spring busts out their cheeks. It smells.
It smells bad.
It smells
Give
bad.
that a whiff. Ugh.
It does. Does it really say a light touch of stout? Because that's all I smell
and
is
yes,
freaking like
I agree.
putrid Guinness. That smells like old beer. That smells like last night's stout that's been sitting out
open, and maybe
next to
somebody
the-
put like a cigarette out in the bottle.
Yeah, sitting next to the open cheese queso jar.
God,
Maybe Miles will like this one.
maybe.
Huh?
Or like this. I'm sure he's probably not going to like it, but you can have that little tiny piece.
You better eat that. Christmas is coming. Santa Claus is watching.
Oh God.
Smell. Yummy. Here, that one's for you. Eat that one. Ready, set? Heavens to Betsy, for the love of Christ, what did you just do? What has happened?
Oh, I don't really like beer, and just the nasty bitter dark chocolate with the beer flavor, just, it wasn't gonna stay down. Horrible.
Now,
I can still taste plenty of it in my mouth.
I actually didn't like the smell, but the taste I kind of like.
Oh God, why?
Because Ben and Jerry's made an ice cream that had like stout in it, and it wasn't too bad. And this kind of reminds me of that, but actually slightly better. I would give this a 3.5. I know what you're giving this, right?
Well, yeah, I'm giving it a 0. I couldn't even eat it.
What company makes this?
Seattle Chocolate.
What company makes J Coco?
I don't know.
Seattle Chocolate.
Okay, your point.
There's
being-
only been one other time the shame napkin has had to been used to take a bolus, that is the food chewed in the mouth, and evacuate that said bolus into the napkin for disposal. And that was myself with the J Coco edamame.
Oh, you didn't eat that one.
That
There was
one,
one of them. I couldn't remember which one.
that one really
That
was not of my liking.
Really bad. This one's really, really bad.
Oh no, Miles!
Really,
don't
really.
touch this. This is foul business. For at least Mother thinks so. I thought it was all right, but so you got a 0, and I gave it a 3.5. So.
And I'm gonna give you a punch in the face.
Well, at least it's not a punch in the throat. Moving on, more love. Miles is hiding now because of that chocolate, and what really gets me is that we just had, before this episode, a hot dog
In a Twinkie.
in a Twinkie with easy cheese on top of that. And you chose to
I ate the
keep
whole
that
thing.
down, but this you had to spit out.
Yep.
That's rough. All right, next.
Let's say something about how bad it is. It's my very first time spitting anything out, and let's hope
Welcome
that
to
this
the
one
club.
is a little bit better. Seattle Chocolate. Here's looking at you. Sparkling Mimosa dark chocolate truffle bar.
Isn't a mimosa champagne with orange juice?
It is.
Oh, God. Just...
I want to know who comes up with these flavors. It says woman owned.
drunk
But
hipsters
do you,
on Sundays.
Like, imagine them all sitting around drinking wine. Ooh, what should our next flavor be?
I like mimosas. I like mimosas a lot.
It smells like orange.
It smells like orange.
Like that
orange and
really
chocolate
weird-
works.
That weird kind of orange liqueur.
Oh, Cointreau. Orange and chocolate works. However, I mean, whack and unwrap, right? But I mean,
We'll see.
we'll see. Oh, yeah, Miles is back. Smell that. Put that in your hoofter.
Like, no way.
You look sleepy. Ready? Set. Okay, so in this one, to mimic the taste of a mimosa, they've simply added orange Pop Rocks.
Is that what that is? Oh, yeah, I
Yes.
can get it now.
Pop Rocks are fun. Pop Rocks are a trendy ingredient to add to foods.
Where's the champagne?
I'm getting no champagne.
I'm getting orange.
I'm getting like orange starburst popping chocolate. I'm giving that a 0.
I'm gonna give it a 1.5. It doesn't taste horrible. It's weird.
It
Pop Rocks.
Miles is gonna stay out of this.
Sparkling champagne isn't. I'm confused.
The sparkling
not,
is
like,
the popping and rocking. Come on, a winner.
Baby cakes.
Baby cakes. I call you baby cakes all the time.
Milk chocolate truffle bar with red confetti.
Is that like edible? Confetti usually is made out of paper, so I'm
You can
hoping.
eat paper.
Yeah, you can eat paper.
Maybe it's at least flavored paper.
61% dark paper. What percentage of it is paper?
All paper.
I don't see any red confetti, do you?
It's a mystery.
I think we're gonna have to go down to
Down where?
Seattle Chocolate.
You can go there and just.
It's a place.
Oh yeah, but that doesn't mean you can like get in.
We can go in there.
Looks like frosting or something in the middle, which. Wait, there's a tiny
Ooh,
little
smell
piece
that.
of red.
Red velvet.
No, red sprinkle. They're like little round sprinkles. You can see right there, right over there.
Onward and upward.
Where's it go? I'm glad we saved that one for last. Good way to cleanse the palate of the other garbage. It's birthday cake.
It is, and it's like basically if you got birthday cake that had those hard, crunchy funfetti on it. It's like basically you took a spoon and you dredged the top of it, and it happened to be chocolate cake. And you just got mostly like an equal amount of cake and frosting. So like that much, 50-50, yeah.
But what I was expecting was to see red confetti. And the fact that
I can definitely taste
I
it.
don't see any red confetti. When you eat it, you can get the texture of it, sure.
But yeah,
But I mean, it's like red confetti.
but that's okay. I mean, that doesn't. Is that something you just need?
Well, yeah. If you're
Fair
gonna
enough.
say, if one of the main selling points is that it's red confetti and there's red confetti in it, and you can't even see that there's red confetti in it.
Not only that, if you can't see it on the outside of the bar, what's the whole point of it being red?
And even when you do see it on the inside, a little tiny bit, you can't even see on that one. See like a tiny little smidgeroony here? It doesn't look red.
right there.
It's more like a pink kind of. They're little round pieces of confetti. But it
Well,
tastes good, so
It
I
tastes
mean,
quite good.
I'll give it that.
What are you gonna give it for a
I'm
score?
gonna give it a 4.
I'm gonna give it a 4 1/4. I like that. I like that a lot.
Yeah. All right. Well, spread the love. Happy Valentine's Day. That's all I got you.
I spent a fortune on you,
Did you? I hope you can
and I
return it.
actually love you.
Oh, you saying I don't love you?
Goodbye.